And I'm back in the garage in the first few days of the new year. I hope everyone had nice holidays. I took a few days off from the work, from the garage, and in this new year we have to continue now. We are back in the garage with the Peugeot because before Christmas, in fact I think in 24th December the car broke on me when I was buying the Christmas tree, and I will pick up the Christmas tree. I parked the car in front of the house, and that's about it. After that, the clutch, the gearbox, something went wrong and I couldn't move the car anymore. So we are going to start fixing this car, and after that we are going to move to different projects, newer projects maybe, or the 7 Series, the other one, but we will see after this video. And it's officially dead. You won't believe that. I parked the car last night in here, and check this out, my garage is right in there, and I cannot move the car now at all because it's dead. No clutch, nothing. Let's oh, check this out, ignition with my key in my hand. Oh my god, this one is crazy. This car is possessed. Oh, check this out, now everything goes off. Pff, crazy, man. Anyway, we have to replace the clutch on this one, and after that we are going to sell this one for sure. Let's see. So in gears, at cold works, all the gears perfect. Oops, yeah, that's reverse. 5 here, 5 and reverse, something is not right. Goes back into the gear. Okay, anyway, let's see. So the car starts. Oh, did you hear that? It was the clutch pedal. So let's hope we can drive the car till there. Oh my god, it's like a few meters. Clutch in, just a second. Sorry for my shoes. Oops, nothing. We have nothing. Oh my god, what? Okay, so let me show you a trick. Now you can put it in the first. Let's start the car now. Check this out. Whoa, it's in gear now. Hear that? Because I started the car in gear. Oh my god. Okay, we are here. Now I have to turn the car. Oh my god, let's hope it's not going to have traffic. Let's turn off the car. Again, reverse. We've done it. Oh my god. Come on, it's like braking. I don't even push the clutch in. Check this out, my clutch is pressed. Oh my god. And the car is moving. Okay. Whew. Let's turn it off. Once again, first gear. This is going to be a nightmare now. Stop. Wow. Reverse. This is sketchy work, but I've done it. We are in the garage. I cannot take it out of gear. Finally. Whew. Now let's see if the cable is bad or what the heck is wrong with this one. Whoa, but what was that? Ah, almost perfect on the inspection pit. With the hood open, we cannot see anything because the cable is still here with these crazy adapters, and oh, this is loose. Okay, this one is shot. Okay, no clutch. It's done. We have to take the gearbox out. You piece of... Okay, So we have to remove the gearbox in order to fix this car, and I'm going to replace the clutch because I drove this car for the garage to carry wheels and parts and a lot of other stuff that you see here in the garage, like this crane. This one is trashed already, so I have to drive that to a scrapyard. And I need this car to carry this stuff, like I said. So we are going to fix the clutch on this one, and after that we are going to sell it for sure, because we are going to search a better one and a bigger one, like I said in the last episode, I think. Anyway, oh my god, I'm a little bit sad because this car doesn't worth saving and fixing, but I need this one because all my other cars are not in shape to carry any, and because nobody wants to see how I work on this car, I've already took everything out. The gearbox is in there, we have the old clutch, I'm gonna show you everything, the bearing, the slave cylinder. We have some real problems in here. On the engine side nothing is wrong. The gearbox I think is shot, because I've noticed something in here where the long drive shaft is. We have extreme play, and if I start moving this for a few seconds, maybe you can see the exterior of the bearing is coming out, and I can push it back with my hand. See that? See? Oh, perfect. The slave cylinder is shot. It's in pieces, it's broken, all the metal parts, everything is done. The pressure plate is destroyed. The clutch itself is still okay, but we are going to replace this anyway. So this one is shot, and I've ordered a new cable for the clutch, but it's different. It doesn't look the same, it's almost the same, but in here is different. We cannot install this on the car. And in here is different. On the original one we have this plate that is missing on this one, so we cannot install this. So I already ordered a new one. Now I'm going to search for a gearbox and clutch assembly, and we can put everything back together. Another update, we already have the pressure plate and the new clutch in there. Maybe you can see the packages right in there. It's a look clutch assembly, so everything is installed, it's done in here. We have the new gearbox in here. I hope it's okay, because the part number is the same and I know it's going to fit, but I hope inside everything is okay. But we have some other problems, of course. I'm missing this rod for the slave bearing. And with the clutch I received the bearing, but it's different. We are missing in here the rod. In here, this is the old gearbox, and I cannot take this rod out. This is the rod that I want to take out. I've already took all the plugs out, everything, but I have some problem taking this arm out, because the screw that is holding the arm, it was broken. And I've welded a nut in there, and let's hope I can take that out. Let's hope. Second try. The first one wasn't a success. Now I weld it again, and let's hope, because this is the last time. After that I had to put the nut under this arm, and I cannot turn the screw back out. So let's hope. If not, I'm going to freaking buy an arm and this rod and everything, because I don't have anything else. And check this out. The first try, and the bolt snapped perfectly round. And here on the new gearbox, I've put the cylinder slave, this rod in here. Everything is new, as you can see, because I couldn't remove the old one. And let's hope this one will work. Everything is prepared, everything is done. I just have to put the gearbox back on the car, and like I said, let's hope everything is repaired. Oh, and I forgot to show you that I installed a new cable. This is the one that fits. Everything is put back together and it's done. The car is done. Let me put some light in there. As you can see, all the marks from the gearbox, the new rod for the gearbox, the new cable. We don't have those crazy adapters anymore. Everything is installed, everything is put back together. I've cleaned a little bit the engine and everything, and I can follow if we have any kind of leaks, but for now everything is clean and dry. It's time to test the car now. Let's see. It's kind of strange, the feel from the clutch. I'm not really sure why, because everything is new. You cannot feel where it grabs. It's kind of strange. I'm not sure why. Let's see. Ignition on. Yeah, no worries about the dash, because it's still doing that crazy stuff. And now it's working. Anyway, the car is on. We have no gear selected. Let's press the clutch. First gear. Perfect. I think we have a gear. Let's see now. And like I said, I don't have a feel on the clutch pedal. I'm not sure why. Oops, nothing. Ah, now. Okay, we are moving. We are moving. Okay. Let's see. Okay, no strange noises, nothing. Second gear. Okay, the clutch is a little bit too high, I think. Third gear. We are driving. Third gear. Let's try fourth. Yes. And let's try quickly fifth. Okay, no binding, no grinding, nothing. Works just fine. Fourth now. Yep, as well. Nothing seems to be wrong. Everything seems to be okay except for the clutch pedal. Like I've said, you cannot feel exactly where it grabs. When you drive the car, of course, you notice when it grabs, but on the field is not there. It's kind of strange. Maybe the clutch will set a little bit, not really sure, but everything is working other than that just fine. You can change gears now, no problem whatsoever. And now let's park the car back into the garage and let's test the reverse. Okay, just a second. First, reverse. Perfect. We have parking sensor. Everything seems to be normal till now. Once again. Okay. Yes, it's working. Everything seems to be just fine. Perfect. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. Perfect. It's working. And it's done. It's fixed. I'm really glad because I can use the car again, because I need to carry a lot of parts for the garage. Either way, the car is fixed, it's working, and now it's going to be for sale, because like I've said in the previous video, I think I want to buy something newer and a little bit bigger than this. Now I'm going to park the car on the parking lot in there, and we are going to park in here the 7 Series, because we have to do the last cosmetic stuff, like replacing the mirrors, the covers for the mirrors, and to check everything on the car once again. And after that we are going to put the splash guard, because I didn't install the splash guard, because I want to follow if I have any kind of leak and other stuff. Either way, I'm going to close the video in here, and in the next episode we are going to start working on the 7 Series, like I said, and we are going to search for a new project car, or maybe we are going to start working on the 7 Series, the blue one, the other one. So if you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.